Okay, so you've got your basic spreadsheet, which may look something like this. You've got your name of artists, name of tracks here. You've got your prices here, which you're going to make up. It doesn't really matter what the data is. You know how much MP3s cost. You've got your weekly allowance figure here and your formulas that you've worked out here. And your data may be looking aligned in a different way. And when I mean aligned, I mean it may be to the left, to the right, it may be centered, I don't know. The thing you need to do is to make sure that all your data is going the correct way. So let's left align all of it. So let's select it all by clicking this little grey square at the top. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the left align button. Notice how everything moves to the left. The next thing you need to do is to make sure that your headings are standing out and there is some element of formatting going on. So we're going to alter the way this looks. So I left click my spreadsheet headings and then I go to, the wonderful thing about Microsoft is that all their things label up. So go to the fill color drop down, go to whichever color you want. I'm going to choose yellow. I'm going to highlight the areas underneath here for total, smallest and largest, and I'm going to make sure that that and that is done. Now that has added formatting and that has added alignment. Now on this particular spreadsheet I've got already got currency in, so I'm just going to take that out just to simulate this for you just so you can see it. Okay, let's just get rid of this. It'd be a bit easier to do this before I start it, but still never mind. Okay, so what we've got so far is, and let's just get rid of that as well. Silly old Mr. Hall left this in here. It's got currency, none, click OK. Alright. So what we've got then so far is just some data without any reference as to what it's for. We know it's a number, but let's add some context to it by making it have currency. So what we're going to do then is going to highlight these areas here. We're going to right click, we're going to format cells, and we are going to go down to currency. Then we're going to choose the pound sign because that's obviously our currency, and then we're going to make sure that decimal places is set to 2. Then we click OK, and then you'll notice that currency is then applied to each of your cells. Other things you need to do to make sure that you format your spreadsheet are you need to go to Insert, Header and Footer, and you need to type and make sure your name is clearly written in the header. So Unit 1 ao5 and then your name. Now you're going to say to me, how on earth do I get out of the header on Excel? Well, all you need to do is, once you've actually clicked on the actual heading, select the spreadsheet underneath and then click on the normal tab here. That'll take you back to your spreadsheet. Now you may then say, well, where on earth is your header gone? If you go to File and then Print, you'll notice that in Print Preview it has your header in there, so it's able to be seen, but you just can't see it on your spreadsheet. When you come to print this out, this is what it will show. Okay, so what we've done so far is we've added in formatting and highlighted column headings to make it easy to understand. We've added currency to our numbers, and we've also made sure that the decimal places is set to 2. The next video will show additional features of formatting that are required for the basis of merit and distinction.